Welcome back to Diecast Graveyard. We've got a special unpackaging unboxing today from my friend Andrew at Maple Leaf Customs. Earlier in the year I sent Andrew a package and he reciprocated by sending me something. I asked him if there was anything I needed, or he needed, from the United States that I could help him with. And in turn, he sends me stuff from Europe that we can't really get over here. So without further hesitation, let's go ahead and unwrap the box that he has here. Now, Andrew was kind enough to send a letter with this, which is really cool. It says, "Hello, Paul. I hope this package and letter find you well in beautiful Florida and that everything arrived in good condition all the way from Switzerland. In gratitude for your abundant generosity to me and my YouTube channel, as well as for the weekly education and inspiration that you provide for all of us via the Diecast Graveyard, I've packed a box with Euro diecast goodies that I trust will pique your interest. My hope is that a few of these will one day find their way onto your hobby bench for the special touch that only you can give them. Here's a mix of countries of origin in here. Norev, Majorette, and Solido from France. Barago and Speedy from Italy. Siku and Shuko from Germany. And Guisval from Spain." Well, you know what? Easy to say, right? Achtung, attention in German. The MLC, or Maple Leaf Customs, a 4-horseman build, is very carefully wrapped inside the blister pack in hopes that the fragile side mirrors will survive the voyage. Therefore, slow and careful unwrapping is necessary. If they're missing, don't move. The mirrors are on your lap. I've also included a couple of channel stickers in with some bonus content to make you dream of your favorite guest house. And perhaps the most prized content, some Swiss chocolate to be enjoyed and shared. Well, Andrew, I definitely will share that with my wife. Thanks also for the confidence you placed in me by inviting me to become the newest member of the 4 Horsemen. Good times ahead. Your online friend, Andrew Price from Basel, Switzerland. Andrew, I will cherish this always. I surely will. Now let's see what kind of goodies are in the box. Okay, he sent a build that I had coveted when he built it, and there are mirrors in there. So let's go ahead and open it really slow and see what we got in here. Okay, and I got one of these special Andrew cards, which I saw those when he makes them, and it's just incredible. He goes ahead and he autographs them there, and this is something. This is a prized possession for my collection, absolutely. Well, let's see what we got here. Again, there's a mirror there in the bottom. Let's see what we got here. Gosh, I'm nervous here. I don't want to hurt anything. Move some chains there too. What's there? What we got? Oh wow, look at that. There's one mirror that's there, but the other one is in the container. So let's go ahead. Oh wow, look at that. That's that shop truck build. Got the compressor or generator on the back. That thing is absolutely incredible. I love it. I absolutely love it. God, Andrew, you do such great work. That is fantastic. Thank you so much, brother. This is going to be great. I can't wait to display that in my box. Let me put this back in there like that. Excellent. Thank you so much. I mean, that is definitely a prize for sure. Let's go ahead and set that aside and take these other things away. What else do we got in here? I think this is just packing material, which it is. Okay, no problem there. What we got here? More packing material. More packing material. Okay, let's get rid of this stuff. All right, all kinds of goodies here. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. What we got here? Maple Leaf Customs decals. I'll definitely will find a place for those in my shop. That is fantastic. I love it. Wow. Brand beer. Oh my God. Vixe Vit. Wow. Amstel. Frankenheim. Look at all these coasters. This is great. Bavaria Pilsner beer. Wow. Oh wow. This has got to be a display, probably for that shop truck. Definitely. We'll put that over there. Look at this. Regal Air. Wow. Fantastic. Oh, God, I'm blown away already. I'm just starting out here. Let's set that aside. What else we got here? Let's see. Oh, this is the chocolate. Oh my gosh. Halba. Swiss chocolate. Look at that. And my wife will definitely love this. And look at that. 50% cream. Extra milk. Milk chocolate. Look at that. Andrew, thank you. Thank you. We will definitely enjoy this for sure. Gosh, I'm so excited. Let's see what else we got in here. Here's a express tour bus. That's pretty cool. That's excellent. Wow, thank you. That's great. All right, what else we got here? Let's see. N21 Porsche 928. Yeah, you can definitely tell Porsche 928. That thing is definitely excellent for sure. That is awesome. I can't wait to do a couple of builds with you, Andrew. Let's see what we got here. What we got? This is it looks like a Majorette Panther Baritone. Wow, look at that. That is absolutely awesome. That is so cool. All right, what else we got? Let's see here. Looks like another, well, I don't even know what the hell this is. Let's see what we got here. Oh, here we go. This is a Siku. This is a, hard to see the Iceman GT, Esman GT, MF. Wow, look at that. That thing is sweet. It kind of reminds me of a Jaguar. That is pretty damn awesome. Thank you so much. All right, what do we got here? We got this Speedy, made in Italy. This is a Carrera. Is it a G or a 6? I don't know, but it's damn good looking. Look at that. These are really, really neat. We got here, we got a Schuko Audi 80. Look at that. That is absolutely awesome. That is so cool. Looks like it's got a little light or something on top here. Maybe it's a police car or something. That's pretty damn awesome. Look at this. Windsurfing, Hawaiian Islands. This is another Siku van. This is Iveco. Wow. Pretty damn cool. What else we got here? Let's see. Here is a Majorette. It's a Chevy pickup. That's pretty damn awesome. This is definitely stuff that you can't get here in the United States. So this is awesome. This is Chevy Silverado. Yeah, this might be featured one of my Wheel Swap Wednesdays. This is pretty darn awesome. Thank you, Andrew. What else we got here? We got a Mustang, a Ford Mustang GT. I don't know what year it is. It's saying the bottom, I can't really tell. But it's darn awesome. God, that's really cool. That is so neat. Mustang GT for sure. That is awesome. Okay, let's look at this. Oh, Volkswagen Bug, a Schuko, Käfer. Now, for those who don't know, VW Käfer, of course, we call this a Beetle. Käfer in German is Beetle. I'll tell you a quick joke. When I was stationed in Germany over in the mid-'80s, I was with my friend Hans, and we were talking about the Beetlebug cars. And again, Käfer is German for beetle. And in the United States, we have what they call June bugs. And I was over there, and we saw the big old beetles flying around. I says, "What is this?" He says, "It's a Maikäfer," which is Mai, M-A-I, is May. And I said to him, "It's not my Käfer, it's yours." Oh my gosh, he lost it laughing, and he went on for hours. He kept punching me in the arm, going, "My Käfer!" You know, it's a really dumb joke, but it's like, you know, he thought that that was the funniest damn thing in the world. But this says Feuerwehr, which is a fire car or fire station, which is pretty cool. Got the little blue light on top and everything. This is absolutely awesome. So generous, Andrew. Thank you so much. My Kafer. Oh my God. Norev. What do we got here? What kind of car is this? It is a Citroen Premier Yellow. You know, these cars are really weird looking, but I like them. I think they're absolutely excellent. This is some really cool stuff. Really enjoy this. And it looks like we got this here. A 1967 Ford Mustang GT from Burago. This is Italian. How cool is that? That is, and it's got the California Shelby lights on the back and everything. This is absolutely awesome. What an incredible, great package and a gift from our friend Andrew over in Switzerland. Andrew is a transplanting Canadian over there in Switzerland. He is a really good friend. He's an incredibly talented artist, and I can't thank him enough for his generosity and the things that he has sent over to me here in the United States. Now, I have been putting a second package together for Andrew, and we're going to send him some incredibly crazy stuff. So be prepared for that when he puts that video out. But all these cool vehicles and the specialty truck that he made here during one of his builds, I coveted it as soon as I saw it. So I gotta have that. That's awesome. And he absolutely actually sent it to me. So I was very happy with that. And he sent the Maple Leaf Customs decals and stuff like that. Very, very generous. Andrew, thank you so much. This is Paul from Diecast Graveyard, sharing with you the generosity of the Diecast community. Thank you so much. Look forward to seeing you down the road with a bunch of new videos, and cheers.
Thank you for joining me today on Diecast Graveyard. We've got a lot more videos coming up in the future, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And thank you again for joining me here today. If there's something you'd like to see, put it in the comments. Thank you, and cheers.